Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your purchase history or your download history on the Riot Games application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Riot client or the Riot Games application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you can proceed forward with your username and your password and also your social accounts. Once you are logged in and taken into your homepage, you will see all of the games that Riot Games has to offer. Within these games, you will find the ones that has been installed on your system to be showing an installed label. And within the application, if you scroll all the way at the very top, you will find the My Games section, which will contain all of the games that you have downloaded since you created your Riot Games account. So every game that you find within here are the games that you have downloaded or purchased. Now, if you go ahead and download another game on your system and install it, then this will also now appear within the My Games page. So the My Games section acts as your download history. And there you have it. That is how you can check your purchase or download history within the Riot Games application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.